Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS Remedy. Here Mansimran Singh is your host and host and teacher also who will teach you about IELTS. So let's begin. So hello students, in this video we will learn that how to manage our daily schedule for IELTS. So first of all I would like to talk about listening, that how to manage time and also what should be the schedule for listening. So guys, if you want to score high bands, so first of all you will need to do one listening at the speed of 1.25x daily, and also it is an essential need to do one listening at the normal speed. It is the only way to score high bands in the listening. Now I would like to give the answer of most trendy question, that how to manage the schedule for reading. If anyone want to attain the high bands in reading, there are 3 steps. In the first step, the person will have to do the readings in the quantity of 2 in 60 minutes each. In the second, the person will have to do one reading in 30 minutes, and in the last, the person will have to do one reading in appropriate time for reasoning, because reasoning is must if you want to attain the maximum bands. If anyone want to do speaking fluently, then there are several steps which a person can take to speak fluently with the proficiency in English language. It mainly includes 3 steps. The foremost step is to read 5 cue cards daily. The second one is watch 2 videos of 9 bands. The third one is listen to the English speeches of foreigners at least for 10 minutes daily. So at last guys, we arrived to the module of writing. If anyone want to do writing, and the schedule for writing should be the reading and assessing of 9 band essays daily. This essay should be 1 in the quantity, and try to do both the tasks in 30 minutes, and try to write each of the tasks with the help of internet daily. And for the advanced, there is another type of doing amendments in yourself. You should be motivated internally. For the motivation, you can listen to the motivational videos on online, and also daily try to learn 10 new words, and always try to clear your queries about grammar. So if you want to indulge in my online or offline program of IELTS, then please do contact on 991478957 anytime. You can also do me WhatsApp, or you can also call me at that number. And in last, please do subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.